Well, good morning, guys. I'm working on this dress. I saw this model on, I believe it was Instagram. She on this beautiful purple dress. And this is that scuba diving fabric. So this fabric is very, very thick and it's hot. So she had sleeves, and it was kind of sort of like this. The dress is not complete. It's in the making. So by this fabric being so hot, I think her sleeves was actually attached. I don't think I want to attach these sleeves, because if you wear this, you want to wear this when it's getting cooler. I can't see you when it's on an 80, 90 degree day, because it's really hot. This is that scuba diving. So I'm thinking about just doing the sleeves when I complete them, make them detachable. So if you wind up getting really, really hot, you could just pull this sleeve right off. You don't got to put them on, because this fabric is, if y'all ever work with the scuba fabric, it is thick, thick, and hot. So yeah, I'm thinking not making them attached right here. Make them detachable. So make them to fit, but you could put them on and put them off. So if you're extremely hot, you be like, I don't want to wear those sleeves. You could just take them off, because this fabric itself is extremely hot. I got a yellow one that I'm going to complete. So I want to do a yellow dress and a purple one. In the future, I wouldn't use this fabric. It is extremely hot. So, unless you're making it for the winter months, it's Minnesota so cold. I don't wear dresses at all in the winter, unless they all the way down to the floor. But I just won't wear. So I'd redo the dress, but in a more spandex fabric, not this scuba fabric. And even if I wanted the sleeves to be more dramatic, I just use some interfacing. But the fabric itself it snugs. It's feeling like a great hug, but it is super duper hot. So just want to show y'all what I was working on. So you guys have an awesome day. So yeah, I'm not going to attach the sleeves. I think I'm going to complete the sleeves, get them all fixed up and make them detachable. Make them to fit. But you can either put them on with the dress, or you can take them off, because this fabric itself is hot. So I can't see me want these. If I do get a chance to wear this dress, I can't see me wanting the sleeves on, because it'll be extremely, extremely hot. So yeah, just in the making. So I'm still finishing up a lot of stuff about the dress, but it's with that scuba fabric. It's spandex, but it is extremely hot. Woo. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, guys. And I'll show you guys a video when I get ready to do the yellow one, how I completed it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.